know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cody's brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.
What up, guys? We are... Oh, guys, I really hope you like the new intro. Worked on that for a while. Today we're getting some stuff done on the ZX6. It's gonna be a color swap. That's what we're working on. As if you noticed last time, we got that. So we ordered a new front fairing, ordered a new windscreen, ordered a few new parts for it, but today we're going to start on the tail, fix all this, get the tail off, get all this fucking plasti dip off, and then prep it for, you know what, I'll save the color reveal till last, but it's going to be nice.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep.
So typically on these ZX6s there's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and 2 bolts here to hold this whole tail on. When I bought the bike, it did not have these back 2 and these front 2 were the wrong bolts, only these bottom 2, so we're going to be fixing that as we go. And voila, we have the old tail off. So now we just have to take the... actually clean in there. But now we just have to take all the plasti dip off and prep it for paint. So we're going to start with the tail first. We're going to do all the plasti dip. Alright, since we're also doing the tail fairing, we're going to take off the nose fairing because we got a new one coming in. We're going to take off the windshield first, then deal with the other panels connecting it to the rest of the fairings. So this comes off first. Take the mirrors off, disconnect it from the rest of the fairings along here, take off these panels, then we'll detach the whole thing, unplug all the wiring, and get it separated from the lights, the surround plastics for the air dam, and the eyelids. You can see there the eyelids for the headlights. We're going to get all that taken care of, and once we get those done, we're going to take them back to the house and get them prepped to lay down some primer and some paint, sand them and everything, and yeah.
See me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong when I battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, it's a war zone. It's It's a war zone. Yo, this a motherfucking war zone. It's a war zone.
Alright, so we found an issue. So I had some rattling in the front end for quite a while, and I noticed the front nose was a little loose, but like I wasn't sure why. Well, I went down on it at one point. That's why my right side, or my brake side and throttle side frame slider's missing. But we just learned what it was. I have a crack in the front nose stay. We're going to order one of those, and it should be here within a week or so, which would be perfect. Here's the old fairing stay. As you can see, half of it's broke off. This half over here. That's how it mounts on the bike. Then the cluster is held here. But yeah, this part broke off that was holding that mirror on, and that's what was giving me all that rattle. You guys want to come check out what the front of the bike looks like when it's got no front fairing? It looks like a piece of shit. It's awful. But we're going to fix that. We're going to change it up. We got LED bulbs already in it, so we're good to go there. Get a new front fairing, paint it. We're going to take all the plastic dip off the old tail fairing. We're going to paint it. We're going to refurbish these carbon fiber sides as best we can. And then we're also going to do the belly fairings. And I don't know if we're going to do those the same color as the nose and the tail, or if we're going to wrap those in carbon fiber vinyl. Leave a comment down below on whichever one you think would be best. I think the matching the nose and the tail to the belly fairings would be nice, since there's carbon fiber in between. But let me know what you think. Oh, I am going to be getting new levers, because these ones wiggle too much. Not on this side, though. I mean, that one's okay. But this one right here wiggles too much. It's got a new clutch cable, which is super buttery smooth. But guys, that's going to be it for part 1 of this video. Leave a comment down below what color choice you think, and let me know if you like the new intro. I think it might be a little too long, but give me some input on it. Stick around for part 2. Let's get it.